Hello students, welcome to you all. Today in this section we will see how the quadratic equations can be solved by the help of quadratic formula, which is also known as Shreedharcharay's formula, and it is given by x is equal to minus b plus or minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Now let us see how we can derive this formula with the given standard quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, where a is not equal to 0. We have already discussed about completing the square method. The same thing we will apply for getting this formula. Let us see here, ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. As you can see that the coefficient of x square is not 1. So we have to divide throughout the equation by a. When you divide this equation by a, you get x square plus b upon ax plus c upon a is equal to 0. Taking this term to the right hand side, you get x square plus b upon ax is equal to minus c upon a. As you know, in order to make it a perfect square, you have to add coefficient of x divided by 2 the whole square on both the sides. Therefore, you can see here it will become b upon 2a the whole square. So this becomes b upon 2a the whole square. You have to add this term both the sides, b upon 2a the whole square. Now taking this x, this middle sign plus, from here b upon 2a, this equals to whole square, that is equal to minus c upon a plus b square upon 4a square. Now again you can work out the same by taking the LCM. You can see here this becomes 4a square. Now you can see what you have to multiply here, that is 4a. So this becomes b square. I am writing this term first, minus 4ac. Now x plus b upon 2a is equal to plus or minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 4a square. This can be written as x is equal to minus b upon 2a plus or minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 4a. Now you can, when you take the LCM, this becomes minus b plus or minus b square minus 4ac upon, now here it is 2a, this is your 2a and this is your again 2a. So this is the quadratic formula we derived from the standard quadratic equation, and no doubt this same formula is known as Shreedharcharay's formula. Now we will solve one question with the help of this quadratic formula. One more term you have to understand here, that is d. Your d is known as discriminant, which can be replaced by b square minus 4ac. When we work out any question, we first see whether d is greater than 0, equal to 0 or less than 0. If d is greater than 0, we get distinct real roots. Here we get equal roots, equal real roots, and for less than 0 we get no real roots. So the very first thing what we have to do before applying this formula is we have to find out the d. Let us see the question. 2x square minus 7x plus 3 is equal to 0. Here a is equal to 2, b is equal to minus 7 and c is equal to 3. When you work out for the d, that is b square minus 4ac, you get minus 7 the whole square minus 4 into 2 into 3, and this becomes 49 minus 4 to it is a 24 and that is 25. You can see that it is greater than 0 and therefore two real distinct roots exist. which can be given by x is equal to minus b plus or minus under root d upon 2a. That is, you can see minus, again b is minus, so it is minus 7 plus or minus under root 25 upon 2 into 2, as the value of a is 2, here it is 4, and this is equal to 7 plus or minus 5 upon 4. One value you will be getting by taking positive sign. So by taking positive, x is equal to 7 plus 5 upon 4, that is 12 upon 4, and no doubt this is 3. The other value of x by taking negative sign is equal to 7 minus 5 upon 4, and that is 2 upon 4, and that is half. So this is the way how the formula is derived by the standard equation, and it is applied to any question. Thank you.